Welcome back, everybody. Here's a quick look into the tropical Atlantic. Two systems that we have tonight. One here, which we talked about last night, and I said last night how we might see a development here off the east coast. That has happened. It's moving away from the eastern seaboard, but it has officially developed into a tropical storm. We start with Josephine down here. It's not real strong, 40-mile-per-hour winds. It looks like it's going to veer north of the islands, then turn north and kind of die off, probably head up towards Bermuda right there as just a tropical depression. So it looks like it's going to stay well clear of the eastern seaboard. And you can see off the eastern seaboard we have a flare-up of convection tonight. This is our latest tropical storm named Kyle. It also has winds of 40 miles per hour, but it is moving away from the country. So Josephine and Kyle both developed in the Atlantic. Both of those should not pose a threat to the U.S. mainland. Here at home, temperatures have been warm today. We hit 88 for the daytime high. 71 has been our low. We have not gotten any rain here at the station, but down south, we'll show you. There's been a few showers and storms again today. Sunrise, sunset for tomorrow. At the river stage in Terre Haute, 4.5 feet. It's on the way down. Right now at the airport in Terre Haute, we're at 87, but the heat index is 92, so it's been another hot day out there. Winds are northeast at about 7 miles per hour. Temperatures right now pretty much running in the 80s. The exception, look at this. It's cooled to 70 in Vincennes, 76 down in Washington because of showers and storms in the area. Dew point numbers are high, so that's why it's got a muggy feel to the air. So the heat index is still up there in the lower 90s. So it's been another very summer-like day today. Off to the northwest on the water vapor satellite, right here we have a front. That's the front that's going to slide in here tomorrow late in the day. It might spark a shower storm just depending on when it gets in here. If it gets in here during the peak heating, better chance. But right now I think it's going to come through in the evening overnight, so less chance we'll see rain. But we'll see what happens with that front. In the meantime, stationary front. Just to the south, you get the heating of the day. You start to get a few of these showers and storms developing. They're kind of moving backwards off to the west a little bit. And you can see what it looks like on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. Everything is way south, but we've got a little area of some showers and storms down here across southern Jasper County, up here north of Olney and Richland County, and then also coming out of Knox County. This is actually moving backwards, so it's moving over towards the Lawrenceville area. A little bit of lightning mixed in there at times as well. No severe weather, but down there along Highway 50, getting some rain. That'll die off pretty quickly tonight. Tomorrow looks good. Now, late in the day tomorrow, as that front approaches, watch what happens. We're good pretty much all day, but toward the evening, here we are at about 5, 6 o'clock, the front moves in now. As it moves through, it should fade away. See that? So, again, if it comes through toward the evening, less likely we're going to see much in the way of any rain with that. Sunday looks fine. It'll be less humid as well. And when you look at the severe weather for tomorrow, again, as the front nears, marginal risk in our far western counties, maybe a stronger storm, but again, they should be fading off as they move into the area, and then we'll be looking at some better weather as we head into the day on Sunday. So here we are Sunday evening. Front has moved on. Look at this, dry weather for pretty much all of next week. I mean, other than that chance late Saturday along the front, and it's kind of a slim chance, we're talking about some dry weather for a while, and the cooler weather moves in as well. See the green shaded area? That's going to kind of move in and stay here as we head for next week. So overall, pretty good forecast. Here's what it looks like for tonight then. A couple early thunderstorms south, then some fog in places, 64 the low. Tomorrow, can't rule out a late day storm along the front, but the chances are not great. Otherwise, sunny, hot, humid, high of 88, heat index mid-90s. After that, not as humid as we head into the day on Sunday, and next week looks good. Highs lower 80s, lows around 60, less humid, really nice weather as we head for next week. That's a wrap on the forecast. We'll head to Grant.
Thanks, Jim.